Hello Mangalore. Hello Mangaluru. Yeah, too zoomed. Yeah, too zoomed. Go back.
Okay.
What is that? Go little that side, no? No, that is dirty there.
Okay.
Come little near, I feel. I've never done this before. How is it going to turn out?
So that heart comes properly.
I always wanted to try that art on the coffee, so let's see how is it going to turn out.
Let's see if we'll be able to do it or not.
It's not that easy to tie everyone.
ಮಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
In which you can steam your milk. So it's just a bit. It all comes on the sound. Like you can hear the sound. You can see the milk swirling around like a tornado inside. It gets the milk foam up and heat at the same time. If you touch it now, it's cold. Over here it's cold, but it will be warm after some time. I'll just not seal, I'll just put a lid up.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I got it.
ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮೀ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹರ್ ಸೊ ಯಾ ಚಲೋ ಕಷ್ಟ ಉಂಟು ಗೈಸ್ ಲಿಟರಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನೊಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಪ್ ಆಯಿತು ಡನ್
Just slowly take it down.
ಓಕೆ
How did you come to know that it's done like that?
The magic of my hands.
I thought it was very easy.
Yeah, it's super easy.
This one,
Get it
not
going.
I-
Just hold it this and drag it down.
ಓಕೆ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್
And that one, yeah, just drag it down. This part, if you avoid putting it, that's good because it's not a professional practice.
Okay,
It's
done.
just my trick to do it. Okay, that's it. You
Okay.
can put it down again. And this is called a pounder. So
ಓಕೆ
it's like
ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಗೈಸ್
around like 700
ಲೈಫಲ್ಲೇ
grams.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
So you
ಓಕೆ
keep the complete
Is it
filter
heavy?
here.
Yeah, it is. So
Press
then,
it with your forearm
yeah,
pressure.
there's a technique here also.
Yeah, he told not
Yeah.
to use your entire body.
Yeah,
Keep going.
he told not to use our
Too much
entire.
pressure.
Yeah, too much pressure.
And that's
So,
enough.
yeah.
You can hook it up.
Yes.
Oh, it's perfect, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's
It's perfect. Thank you. Okay, now this here,
Just
right?
back there and
Okay.
before that, you just give it a light tap. Just,
Oh.
let's see कि अगर बाहर कुछ अटका है,
हाँ,
so you
okay,
come back.
okay.
Just give it a light tap. Which is
Okay.
not coming. That's the perfect thing to do.
Yes.
This part is just need to dust it out.
Okay.
Okay. So you are done with yours.
Wow.
Strong, easy. तो machine का handle हाथ में आएगा. It's 10 years old machine. Come on, yaar.
Then we need to
That's
sit here
it.
only for next
That's
6 months.
it. That's it. Just
Yeah.
slowly take it down. Keep going down.
Oh,
It's
perfect.
a bit less.
Oh, it's
bit
less,
less, it seems.
Not perfect, guys.
No, it's perfect. Easy. One more. That's
कैसे
one
समझ
more.
में आता है?
Yeah, actually, we were not.
That's
Yeah.
it. Perfect.
We don't know whether the powder is
It's enough.
coming out or
ठीक है,
not.
so now we have to do this. It seems it's his trick.
Yeah.
So
Not
like
use
we're
any
just
professional.
just remove the excess
Of coffee.
Perfect.
Coffee powder.
and then
You can do that. Perfect. Have you done it before?
No, just after she
She's
saw
doing it
me.
Nicely.
Share.
She has. I think she has done the training yesterday.
No, no.
Videos देखके she has done it.
Now we are pressing it.
okay.
Yeah.
That is so satisfying actually.
Bit strong. I think that's enough. You can pull the pounder up again. Let me
Oh,
see.
it's called as pounder.
Perfect again, yeah.
Perfect. Done.
Perfect, yeah. This is the better than hers.
Now, yeah, now do this.
Just a
Can
light.
Light, yeah.
The shabash wala slow, bus it's done.
Done.
Okay, done.
Perfect.
Done. So ಇದು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಕ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್
ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವಳು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ
ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಲಾಕ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಗೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಬ್ರೋ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್
Just a bit. Put it in. Put it in. It's strong. Then
ಯಾ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಓಕೆ ಯಾ ಡನ್
that's it.
Perfect.
Yes.
So you need to take care because when it presses out, it comes in a pressure. So perfect.
So this one.
Yes, that's right.
Put this.
This one, that's it. Perfect.
Now only it looks creamy actually.
That's the thing. It's called crema.
Okay, crema. This is called as crema. Crema.
Not crema, it's crema.
Okay.
So when it's hot, you'll get to know you are not able to touch it for a long time.
Okay.
You just tap it here.
Okay, yeah.
Okay? It's super cold now.
Okay.
It'll take at least 5 to 10 seconds to get it hot.
Okay.
So it's
ಫಸ್ಟ್ super chill ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಈಗ it is getting hot and it's getting creamy also. No, it's getting fluffy, right?
Fluffy,
Okay. Fluffy.
It's done.
Okay, now.
pick it up, tilt a bit and pull it out.
Okay. So once done, we are supposed to clean this.
Always.
Very important step.
Swirl and tap.
Yeah.
It's not. It's not at all. So okay. So your milk has been come out. 1, 2. Be confident. Gir gaya. It's okay.
No, it's fine if it comes ulta hot also, no problem.
Ulta hot
Mine might
only.
come something else only.
That's okay.
You can say pressure a bit fast like
Okay.
that. And after you got a proper half circle, pull it up
Okay.
out
Okay.
and stop.
Okay, half circle and pull it out. Okay.
This will be going up.
Okay.
What should be the speed?
So
Normal.
Your choice.
And now add
Yeah. Stop there.
pour
Pour it
and
fast. Your milk was cold by the time. My
Okay.
hands are getting hot here.
oh, okay.
No, it's done.
No heart, no nothing.
ಅದಿನ್ನೊಂದು ಡಿಸೈನ್
ಅದು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
It came like a small old tree, just imaginary.
It's so difficult, man.
I'll do something like this. Okay, ನನ್ನ ಕಾಫಿ ಆಯಿತು ಗೈಸ್.
You have some milk left, so you can do whatever you like.
Yeah, I can do. So let me try doing filtered.
So that's fine, we can use it. But after steaming the milk, we cannot hold back.
Really, I don't know what is this.
The ears.
ಕಷ್ಟ ಉಂಟು ಗೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ. ಇದು ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಈವನ್ ಮೈ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಾಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಯಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಡಾಗ್ ಪೀಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕೋಕೋ ಪೀಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕೋಕೋ ಪೀಡ್ ಇಯರ್.
That's what you're drinking, no?
Shut up. That time I'll forget that what I told.
It's time to give an exam. Okay.
What are you doing?
So that's it.
Yeah. It's getting hot. How do you come to know when to stop? When it gets
Not yet.
it is hot, man.
This is on record.
Okay, take a sec. Remove it.
This is bad. ನನಗೆ ಇವಳ ಆಟಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಇದ್ದೆ ಗೈಸ್. ನೋಡು ಯಾವ ಆಟ ಬರ್ತದಂತೆ.
See the difference in this? How creamy it
Yeah.
has bubbles slightly. So just pick it up. Just a swirl.
Okay, like this. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂತು ಮನೆ.
Keep going. I'm telling you, keep going.
It's okay, do something. It should be better than mine.
Yeah.
Oh, she did it.
Pour milk. Don't stop pouring. Keep pouring and make it straight.
Keep it straight.
If it's done, stop it. It's better.
It's better than mine though, yeah.
It's literally better than
Don't
yours.
drop it. It's better than mine.
Told you something else.
No, it's nothing
ಇದು ಹೀಗೆ
else. Stop.
ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ, but it is far better than this one.
I used to see the videos and all like.
Okay, this is our coffee, guys.
Okay. So this is like my dog feed and this is like my dog's balls.
Shut up.
No, but still. Thanks to Kuldeep.
And him also.
And, yeah, thanks to Mr. Arvind as well. And
Thanks to us also.
thanks to me, the cameraman, who has taken a very bad shots and a good shots.
Actually, the experience was really good.
Really good experience. We actually will. So ನಮ್ದು ಕಾಫಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯಿತು and it was a very good experience. You want to tell anything?
Yeah, like I never got to experience something like this. I think we should really be thankful to
The staffs here,
Yes,
like,
they were very patient. I mean, you need to have really
Lot of patience for this.
yes, because we were messing up a couple of times.
And even we wasted like a shot of coffee, the espresso, I guess, right? Yeah, something, I don't know what is that called as, but it was a really good experience. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಹ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 4th June ಇಂದ ಇದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 9 AM and it is on every Thursday. So every Thursday you can come here and prepare your own coffee. So
I think you need to utilize this opportunity because I think none of them allows you to go to their kitchen and then prepare the coffee as you want. So
Yeah.
they're giving this opportunity. So I think you have to utilize this.
and that too, it is from scratch. They tell you to do things like from scratch, and you're only like doing it also from. Like you're putting your efforts and doing it, and you'll know how difficult it is actually to do a perfect coffee. So yeah, and we got a cookie also. This is our favorite cookie. Yeah.
One second.
Without sugar. Just diluting ice and keeping it tall.
Yeah. What were you saying, Angel?
I like my coffee without sugar. So I'm gonna try this now. Have you tried?
No, you tried? Then you're fine.
Let's see.
No, like,
Sugar, exactly.
no. I think we kept it for a long time. That's why. But I think I have done a good job. I'm proud of myself.
Now it's my turn.
So yeah.
It's good. Nice. It's really good. I can't believe that I did this. Actually, yummy. Now we're going to dip this out. How is it?
It's good.
It's good.
If he is saying, then it's good.
Yeah, if he's saying it's good only. He was roasting us. Huh?
Calling something else.
Yeah, he was calling like it is. No, now we're drinking, so let me not tell that.
Still, it's Coco Speak.
It's good, it's good. So, yeah.